Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the camshaft position sensor fuses relays are located on Chevy Equinox, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. We'll talk about that. Guys, we will talk about hidden fuse boxes. This is information that can potentially save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And by the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. For the camshaft position sensor, let's explain now something, guys. Before you waste your money on a new sensor, always test your camshaft position sensor. We will have many videos how to test camshaft position sensor on our YouTube channels. Check it out. Next, what you want to do, check the connector. Make sure it's not contaminated with engine oil or coolant. If you have a coolant leak or engine oil leak, which is quite common on higher mileage engines, it can contaminate the connection. That can cause it to get a cold or not work correctly. But fuses, relays for the camshaft position sensor, come, we will show you where you can find them. We will demonstrate on that generation Chevy Equinox here. Quick advice, guys, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about hidden fuse boxes in that Chevy Equinox. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox fuse box location and diagram. Video that can save you a lot of money, guys. Open the hood. Facing the engine on the right side here, this is on the driver's side, that's a brake fluid reservoir. Okay, right here on the right side of it is the main engine fuse box. You have a clip here, a clip there. Press them together, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. There will be very limited information, guys, but we need to check all engine management fuses now. There will be a lot of them, but most likely one of them is for that sensor. And starting here, we need to check fuse number 20, right here. Fuse number 21 will need to be checked. Fuse number 37, 38. Check fuse number 41, fuse number 42, fuse number 46, fuse number 52. Then you have another fuse that's known as fuse number 53 under that relay, that 10 amp fuse. You want to test also relay 66, relay 68. Most likely one of these fuses relays, guys, will be for that sensor, so always check this first before you buy a new one. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you are stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful and see you guys next time.